हॅलो एवरीवन. आज आमगेर GSB सेवा मंडळ अंतू वैशाली सामंत जी आयलेल आसा. शी इज अ वेरी वेल नोन सिंगर in the Marathi film industry, as well as she has released many songs in Bollywood as well. So we'll just have a word with her today. Can you please tell us how are you feeling after you coming here today?
I'm feeling blessed. Bappa ji, who's a god of Kala and Buddhi. So, such a beautiful murti this is. It's so positive environment here. And this is the first time I am attending JSB Ganpati. Right from childhood, I have heard so much about JSB Ganpati, the way the rituals are done here, the way the traditions are maintained. I always wanted to be here. So this year I find myself fortunate that I'm here with my new song for Bappa. My colleague Shri Swapnil Bandodkar is also on his way. So we hope and we wish to sing for Bappa today. Ganpati Bappa Moreya.
Also, since Vaishali ji is already here with us, I would request you 2 lines for our viewers, please.
मेरे बप्पा मेरे बप्पा मेरे बप्पा मेरे बप्पा शुभ गुणदायक बुद्धि प्रदायक गौरी सुत मोरया मूषक वाहन विघ्न विनाशक शुभ कर्ण सुंदरा मंगलकारी मंगल कर दो प्रथम पूज्य देवता मेरे बप्पा आज मेरे घर आओ मेरे बप्पा स्वागत है घर आओ.
So beautiful. Ganpati Bappa! Thank you.